Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a single phase half wave controlled rectifier with RLE load, right? RLE load means a electric motor load. Okay, so here we are having the circuit diagram, right? Supply voltage is Vs, which is equal to Vm into sine of omega t. Okay, so here we are having Vs, which is equal to Vm into sine of omega t. So from omega t is equal to 0 to pi, Vs is positive, right? From pi to 2 pi, Vs is negative, and alternately it is a positive and the negative. Okay. Next, here we are having a thyristor T. Voltage across thyristor is Vt. Current flowing through thyristor is It. Supply current is Is. Okay, and the load RLE. Right. Voltage across load is V0. Current flowing through the load is I0. Okay. So here initially when thyristor is in the off state, okay, suppose Vs is in between 0 to pi, so Vs is positive, so polarity will be plus here and minus here. Okay, so as I said, initially thyristor will be in the off state, so let us consider this as a 0 volt, right? If this is 0 volt, this will be Vs volt, right? So if this is 0 volt, here it is a 0 volt, right? Here it is a 0 volt, right? What about the potential here? Here potential is plus E. Okay, next, if here it is a plus E, as SCR is in the off state. Okay, so current in the circuit is 0, right? Current in the circuit is 0, so voltage across RL branch, it will be 0. Okay, so here can we say that the potential difference across the RL branch is 0? The meaning is yes, this potential and potential here, this should be same. Okay, so this potential is E, so here it is a E and here it is a plus E will appear. Okay, so if you check, the potential at the anode of the SCR is a Vs and potential at the cathode of SCR is a E. Okay, so here the if Vs is greater than E, our SCR will be in the forward bias mode. If Vs is less than E, our SCR will be in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so next, now we are going to discuss the circuit operation, right, during different intervals, right? So here from omega t is equal to 0 to theta, right, for or from omega t is equal to 0 to theta. Let us discuss what will happen from 0 to theta, right? If you check from 0 to theta, Vs is less than E. Okay, if Vs is less than E means anode voltage is less than the cathode voltage. Okay, so thyristor will be in the off state. Okay, so here it is an open circuit we are having. Load is R, L, and here it is E, and this is the supply voltage we are having. Okay, so this voltage is Vs plus minus here. This is Vt. This current is It. Here it is Is, and here it is R, L, and E. This is V0 and current is I0. Okay, so SCR is in the off state. Okay, so what is I0? Yes, I0 is equal to It is equal to Is is equal to 0 ampere. Okay, next, what is the V0? If you check, V0 is equal to E. Okay, because voltage across RL branch is 0, so potential difference between these 2 points is equal to potential across the EMF. Okay, so V0 is equal to E, right? Next, so V0 is E. What is the Vt? We can write Vt is equal to Vs minus E. Vt is equal to Vs minus E. Okay, so if you check from omega t is equal to 0 to theta means during this interval, okay, V0 is equal to E, right? I0 is equal to 0, Vt is equal to Vs minus E. Okay, but if you check from between 0 to theta, Vs is increasing. Okay, but it is a less than E. Okay, so difference Vs minus E, it will be reducing. It will be reducing. At omega t is equal to 0, Vs is 0. So Vs minus E, it will be a minus E. Okay, so it is starting from minus E. At omega t is equal to theta, Vs is equal to E. So Vs minus E becomes 0, right? So till theta it is a 0. Okay, so can we say that our thyristor will be in the reverse blocking mode? Okay, so from 0 to theta, the mode of operation of thyristor, it is a reverse blocking mode. Are you getting the point, right? Next, so from omega t is equal to theta to alpha, from omega t is equal to theta to alpha, omega t is equal to theta to alpha. Yes, so if you check from theta to alpha, Vs is greater than E, right? So Vs is greater than E, so our thyristor will be in the forward bias mode. but whether we have applied the gate signal, no, we are going to apply the gate signal at alpha. Okay, so between theta to alpha, yes, Vs is greater than E, but we have not applied the gate signal, so thyristor will be in the forward blocking mode, right? Thyristor will be in the forward blocking mode. Are you getting the point? Okay, next, so if you check thyristor will be in the forward blocking mode, so it means it will be in the off state only. Okay, next, what is the I0? I0 is equal to IT is equal to IS, all are 0, right? Next, so what is the V0? We can write V0 is equal to E. Similarly, can we write Vt? Apply KVL, you will be getting the Vt. Okay, Vt is equal to Vs minus E. Okay, but here we are having Vs is greater than E, right? So Vt is equal to Vs minus E, so it will be a positive. It will be a positive, right? So if you check between theta to alpha, Vs is increasing. So difference Vs minus E, it will be increasing. Okay, so that's why Vt is positive and it is increasing. Okay, so if you check from theta to alpha, yes, V0 is E, I0 is 0, Vt is positive voltage. Okay, next, from alpha to pi minus theta, let us discuss from alpha to pi minus theta. From or for omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta. Omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta. Okay, alpha to pi minus theta. Yes, so from alpha to pi minus theta, if you check, Vs is greater than E. Okay, and we have applied the gate signal, so our thyristor will turn on. Thyristor will be in the on state. This voltage is Vs, here it is plus minus. Okay, this is Vt, current is It, here it is Is, here it is R, L and E. This is V0 and here it is I0. Okay, so from alpha to pi minus theta, so if you check, from omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, Vs is greater than E, and at alpha only we have applied the gate signal, so definitely our thyristor will be in the on state. Okay, so mode of operation, it is a forward conduction mode, right? Forward conduction mode. Next, so during the forward conduction mode, okay, what is the Vt? Vt is equal to 0 volt, right? Vt is equal to 0. What is the V0? Can we say that V0 is equal to Vs? Yes, V0 is equal to Vs, right? Next, now if we check in the circuit, we are having the inductor. Okay, so before omega t is equal to alpha, the current flowing through the inductor was 0. Okay, so at alpha, even though the SCR is acting as a short circuit, whether our inductor will allow the sudden change in the current? No. So here current flowing through the inductor go on increasing slowly, right? Current flowing through inductor go on increasing slowly. Okay, so here from omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, inductor go on storing the energy, inductor goes on storing the energy, so I0 go on increasing slowly. Okay, so if you check the waveforms from alpha to pi minus theta, V0 alpha to pi minus theta I am saying. Okay, so pi minus theta is nothing but from here we can take the projection. Okay, so during this interval, V0 is same as that of the supply voltage. Okay, I0 is increasing slowly. What is Vt? Vt is equal to 0. Inductor goes on storing the energy, right? Inductor stores the energy. Okay, next, so from omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi, omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi, what will happen? Let us discuss. Pi minus theta to pi. Omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi. Okay, so if you check during this interval, okay, yes, after pi minus theta, yes, Vs during this interval Vs is positive, but Vs is less than E. Okay, so whether, but here we are having the inductor, and from omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, inductor has stored the energy, right? Inductor has stored the energy. Okay, so now yes, this E is trying to circulate current in this direction. Okay, Vs is trying to circulate current in this direction, but if you check here during this interval, Vs is less than E. Okay, so if you check before pi minus theta, what is the current flowing through the inductor? It is a non-zero, right? It is a non-zero and it is a positive, right? Positive current means what? The direction of the current flowing through the inductor or the load is in the downward direction. Okay, so whether this inductor will allow the sudden reversal of the current? No, right? So whatever the energy stored by the inductor from omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, inductor will release that energy in opposition to that of the EMF. Okay, in opposition to that of the EMF. So if you check, yes, this inductor will try to circulate current in the clockwise direction. Vs is also trying to circulate the current in the clockwise direction, but this E is trying to circulate current in the anti-clockwise direction. But yes, here Vs and inductor both are assisting to each other. Okay, so their voltage will become greater than that of the EMF. So that's why the resultant conduction will be in the clockwise direction only. Okay, so if you check from pi minus theta to pi, even though the Vs is less than E, but then also our SCR will be in the forward bias mode or the forward conduction mode. Are you getting the point? Okay, so it is a forward conduction mode. SCR is in the forward conduction mode. Why? Because to the Vs, this voltage across the inductor is adding, right? Voltage across inductor, yes, it is added into the Vs. Okay, and the addition of these two is greater than that of the EMF, right? So that's why Vt will be in the forward conduction mode. Okay, now so if you check after this, yes, inductor is releasing the energy, and here we are having the Vs. Okay, so yes, Vt will be 0 volt, right? What is the V0? We can write V0 is equal to Vs volt. Okay, what is I0? I0 go on decreasing slowly. Okay, so if you check, yes, after pi minus theta, yes, I0 is decreasing slowly. Okay, next V0 is Vs, V0 is Vs. So if you check, it is from pi minus theta to pi, V0 is same as that of the supply voltage. What is Vt? Vt is equal to 0, so Vt is equal to 0. Okay, so this will continue till pi. Okay, after pi what will happen? After pi, that is from pi to beta, from omega t is equal to pi to beta, what will happen? Let us discuss. From omega t is equal to pi to beta, from omega t is equal to pi to beta. Yes, supply voltage polarity is reversed, right? Because supply voltage is negative. After omega t is equal to pi, supply voltage is negative, right? So this supply voltage will try to circulate current in the anti-clockwise direction. E is also trying to circulate current in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, but this inductor will not allow the sudden reversal of the current, right? So inductor will be trying to maintain the current in the clockwise direction only. Okay, so here Vs and E will be assisting to each other. But if you check, near to the pi, what is the magnitude of Vs? Magnitude of Vs is very small, right? So therefore, yes, during this interval also the voltage across inductor becomes greater than that of the addition of the E and the Vs voltage. Are you getting the point, right? Because Vs value during pi to beta is very small. Okay, so therefore E plus Vs, right, it will be lesser than that of the voltage across the inductor. Okay, so again inductor goes on releasing the energy in the clockwise direction only, right? Inductor releases the energy in opposition to that of the EMF and the supply voltage. Okay, so here again thyristor will be in the forward bias mode only. Okay, so thyristor will be in the forward conduction mode, right? Forward conduction mode. Is this clear? What is Vt? Vt is equal to 0, right? What is V0? V0 is same as that of the supply voltage, right? V0 is equal to Vs. Okay, again what is the I0? Inductor is releasing the energy, and if you check, Vs value is increasing, right? So therefore the addition of E and Vs, it is increasing. The meaning is opposition to the inductor is increasing. Okay, so if the opposition to the inductor is increasing, so therefore the resultant current or the whatever the energy inductor is releasing, okay, due to that the inductor energy goes on decreasing. Okay, and due to that the current in the circuit I0 will be decreasing. Okay, so if you check, after omega t is equal to pi, yes, I0 is decreasing, till beta inductor releases the energy, right? What is the V0? V0 will be same as that of the supply voltage. From pi to beta, Vs is negative, so therefore V0 is also negative. Okay, next what is the Vt? Vt is equal to 0 volt, because thyristor is acting as a short circuit. Is this clear? So if you check, the thyristor T will be in the on state from omega t is equal to alpha till omega t is equal to beta. Okay, this is only due to the inductor energy, right, or energy released by the inductor. Inductor opposes the change in the current, and how it opposes the change in the current? By releasing the energy whatever it has stored, okay, from alpha to pi minus theta. Is this clear? Right, next from beta to 2 pi, from beta to 2 pi what will happen? Let us discuss. From omega t is equal to beta to omega t is equal to 2 pi. So as inductor has released the energy till beta. Okay, next, so after beta inductor is not having the energy to release. Okay, so from omega t is equal to beta to 2 pi, let us discuss what will happen. Okay, so now inductor is not having the energy to release, and during this interval beta to 2 pi supply voltage is also negative, so minus here plus here, this is Vs. So our thyristor will be in the reverse blocking mode. Okay, thyristor will be in the reverse blocking mode. This is R, L, and here it is E. This is Vt, It, Is, RLE. This one is V0, and here it is a I0. Okay, so if you check in this circuit, now Vs and E will be assisting to each other, but inductor is not having the energy to release. Okay, so inductor energy is less than that of the energy of the Vs and E, right? So that's why the resultant current, yes, will be trying to flow in the anti-clockwise direction, but whether our thyristor will allow the reverse current, no, right? So that's why thyristor will be in the off state. Thyristor will be in the off state. Okay, so now yes, if you check I0 in the circuit, I0 is equal to It is equal to Is, all are 0, right? I0, It, Is, all are 0. Okay, what is V0? V0 is equal to E, right? What is Vt? Yes, can we apply KVL? It is a plus Vs plus V0 plus Vt is equal to 0, right? Out of that V0 is E, so therefore we can write Vt is equal to minus E minus Vs, so it is a minus Vs minus E. This is a Vt. Okay, so here if you check from after omega t is equal to beta till 2 pi, V0 is equal to E, right? I0 is 0, and what is Vt? Vt is equal to V minus Vs minus E, so it is the addition of supply voltage and the EMF. Okay, so here if you check after beta, yes, the voltage across the thyristor has suddenly increased from 0 volt to the very high value. This high value is E plus Vm into sin beta, right? Vm into sin beta. Is this clear? Okay, and after that it is having the shape like this. Are you getting the point? Okay, next, so this is about the circuit operation. This is about the circuit operation of RLE load. In the next video, we are going to derive the expressions related to RLE load. Thank you.